Welcome to Aspen Cooking, my friends. My name is Yuri, and today we're going to cook something special. Can you guys guess what this is? What kind of meat that is? Let's have a look. This is a nice tomahawk steak. 3.5 pounds of goodness. I'm gonna tell you something. You know how cooks or some restaurants, they would serve a tomahawk steak with this long rib bone? Well, I'll tell you what. This thing goes for about anywhere between 15 to 20 bucks per pound at the store or a butcher. So you're paying for the weight of nothing. You can get any use out of this bone. I mean, you can get some flavor because this meat is still attached to it, and that's what we're going to capitalize on. Let's get cooking, guys. Folks, let's trim this piece of meat just a little bit and get rid of this fat cap. I don't want to get rid of all of it, but I want to remove this top layer. That way our salt can do a better job. Guys, first things first, we're going to dry brine this baby for about an hour and a half, give or take. This is a big chunk of meat, and don't be afraid to add as much salt as I do if you have similar size. I'm going to add it on all sides. Perfect. Wonderful. I'm going to now let the salt do its job. Now it's time to add some black pepper and garlic powder. Now we're just going to roll it, make sure all of the sides are covered in this amazing goodness right here. Perfect. Wonderful. All right, now we're almost ready. It is time for a smoker. It's time to send this baby to the smoker. 290 degrees for about 40 minutes or so. Guys, and now our tomahawk is 125 degrees internal. Look at this beautiful, massive chunk of meat, man. Turned out beautifully. Let's cut into it, shall we? Let's lose the bone. Ooh. This baby is hot. So freaking hot. Guys, let's cut into this loin right here. Oh man, look how juicy this thing is. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Delicious. I'm gonna give it a shot. Yes. It's so freaking flavorful, it's just an explosion in your mouth. Pardon me. Delicious. Incredible. Guys, smoke your tomahawk. The tenderness and juiciness that this gives, it's just incredible. The smoke note is amazing. It's so freaking delicious. Guys, again, as always, if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe. We'll see you in more videos for you.